Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to summarize YouTube videos in Chrome browser. So let's dive into today's video and see how we can do it. First of all, you have to open your browser, search in Chrome. You can see this link in here, or you can search this only Note GPT, YouTube summary with ChatGPT and notes on Chrome Web Store. After that, you can easily add. I have already added. So let's go to YouTube and see the results. For example, you can easily click on any videos which you want to just summarize the transcript for you. You can see the transcript.
So we can now get started. From here starts the speaking test. This is the speaking mock test of the international.
Now you can see this. It is the full transcript of this video, and in here you can see the summary after you select. So in here you can also add some notes, but those are just some things much more that you have to first log in for that. After that you can do whatever you want. For example, like getting notes from that, and also summarize with AI. But right now you can just see the transcript. For example, like this video, the second example, and you can see the transcript in here. It is completely free. You can see in here 28, 29. And also the important things is that this tool is completely free to use, and everybody can start using this. You just have to install this for your Chrome browser. After installing for your Chrome browser, you can just come easily and use it on YouTube after clicking on videos. So this was our today's tutorial for summarizing and also scripting, getting the script of YouTube videos. So it was so much easily. If you like our videos, you can subscribe our channel to get the latest update of our uploads. And if you see any problem in our videos, if you have any suggestion, questions, you can just easily comment for me and I will respond to your all comments. For example, everything which you like to comment. But for right now, goodbye and see you next video.